Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export Coinbase tax reports in 2026. Are you preparing your crypto taxes? Let me show you how to export your Coinbase tax report quickly and easily just by following some few simple steps. Now before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. Now, in order to export the Coinbase tax reports, as you can see here, this is a picture of an example of a tax report. It has the payer's TIN, the recipient's TIN, the other's income, royalties, rents, all the informations and the informations that are required in a tax report. Now, in order to export this document right here, you're gonna go to the Coinbase.com website by going to your web browser and searching for Coinbase. Once you find the website, you're going to make sure to click on the Coinbase.com website. And there in the website, you're going to make sure to sign in if you already have an account. Or if you're just starting, you can click on sign up and create an account from the beginning. Once you create an account, you're going to log in to that account exactly. You're going to, after that, access the account's dashboard. And from there, you're gonna access the taxes section. You can do that by clicking on your profile icon. Then you're gonna select the taxes from the menu. Now after that, you're gonna choose the tax year. You can select the tax year you need, for example, 2025 or the previous year. And after that, you're gonna download the tax documents. You're gonna see available tax documents like transaction summaries or gain loss reports. When you see them, you're going to click on the download button. And after that, you're going to save the file. Now the file will download as a PDF or CSV, so make sure to save it securely for your accountants or tax filing software. And if you trade it frequently, consider using a crypto tax tool that connects to Coinbase to automatically calculate gains and losses. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Coinbase tax reports. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.